do you work hard, but at the end of the month, there's barely any money left? How many more hours do you think you need to work to finally achieve financial freedom? The truth is, if you don't create new sources of income, you'll spend your entire life trading time for money and remain stuck in the same cycle. But the rich do things differently. They don't rely on just one paycheck. They make money work for them. If you don't create this, you'll be poor forever. Sounds exaggerated, but it's not. The vast majority of people spend their entire lives working hard, accumulating hours upon hours of effort. And in the end, they barely have enough money for a comfortable retirement. Now tell me, do you want to be just another statistic, or do you want to learn what really makes a difference in your financial life? Today, I'm going to show you how to create passive income streams to secure a stable financial future without relying solely on your job. So go ahead and like this video, because what I'm about to share with you could change your life. The truth is, we've been programmed to believe that the more we work, the more we earn. But is that really true? Think about it. If working more were the solution, people with 2 or 3 jobs should be rich, right? But what actually happens is that these people live stressed, have no time for their families, and are often in debt. The problem isn't the amount of work you do, but the way you make money. And what if I told you that there are people who earn way more than you while they sleep? Yes, because they've understood something fundamental. Money needs to work for you, not the other way around. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think about what the rich do differently? While most people rely solely on a salary, the wealthy build multiple income streams that run automatically. They don't trade time for money. They create systems that generate money for them. Want an example? Think about a shopping mall owner. He doesn't have to be there every day, working in each store, right? He simply collects the rent. And the best part? The mall operates whether he's there or not. That's the big difference between someone stuck in a job and someone building real wealth. Now that you understand this, I'm going to show you 5 real ways to create passive income, even if you're starting from scratch. And if this content is helping you so far, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because I always bring strategies to improve your financial life. Let's go. The first way to earn money passively is through investments. This includes stock dividends, real estate funds, and fixed income. The key here is to reinvest your profits to accelerate your money's growth. Many people think they need thousands of dollars to invest, but the truth is, you can start with a small amount, and over time, your money will grow on its own. The second way is through digital businesses, like affiliate marketing, info products, and e-commerce. Today, you can sell products without keeping inventory, or create online courses that sell themselves. There are people making thousands of dollars per month with this, and many started with no prior experience. The third way is by automating services. This means you can offer a service, such as traffic management or social media management, and use teams or tools to do the work for you. That way, you make money without having to be present all the time. The fourth option is creating monetized content, like YouTube, blogs, and TikTok. Did you know that some people make videos once and earn money from them for years? That's because ads and sponsorships keep generating revenue even after the video is posted. If you have a passion and want to turn it into income, this is an excellent strategy. And the fifth way is investing in rental income, like short-term rentals on Airbnb or shared property investments. The best part of this strategy is that you can rent out a space without even owning the property. Now tell me, which of these 5 income streams makes the most sense for you? Comment below. But before we wrap up, I need to break some myths that might be holding you back from starting. The first is thinking you need a lot of money to invest. That's not true. There are ways to start small and grow over time. The second myth is believing that this only works for people who already have money. Most millionaires started from zero. They just learned how to use money the right way. The third myth is that it takes too long to see results. That depends on the strategy you choose. Some passive income sources take years to grow, but others can generate results in just a few months. Now, let's expand this vision even further with 5 additional strategies that can speed up your financial growth and ensure you never rely on a single income stream again. The 6th strategy is creating recurring products like memberships and subscriptions. Companies like Netflix and Spotify make billions every month because they offer services people keep paying for. You can apply this concept to your own business by selling exclusive content, training programs, or even physical products that need regular replenishment. The seventh strategy is becoming an angel investor or partnering in promising businesses. Instead of starting a business from scratch, you can invest in companies with growth potential and earn a share of the profits without running daily operations. The eighth way to generate passive income is through product licensing or intellectual property. If you have an invention, a brand, or even music and books, you can make money by licensing those products to other companies instead of selling them directly. The ninth strategy is automated dropshipping. Unlike traditional e-commerce, where you handle inventory and shipping, in dropshipping, everything is done automatically by the suppliers. Your job is to simply market the products and earn commissions on the sales. The 10th strategy, which many people overlook, is franchising or licensing business models. If you already have a profitable business, you can expand it by franchising or licensing your method to others, generating ongoing revenue with little additional effort. And now, 3 bonus strategies to further accelerate your journey to financial freedom. The 11th strategy is to invest in high-value affiliate marketing. Instead of selling cheap products and earning small commissions, focus on high-priced products where each sale brings significantly higher earnings. The 12th strategy is to invest in automated sales. If you already sell a product or service, use automated sales funnels that work for you 24/7, generating revenue without requiring direct interaction with each customer. And the 13th strategy is to diversify your income sources geographically. Many people don't realize that, thanks to the internet, you can sell to any country in the world. Expanding your business to international markets can be the key to exponentially increasing your income. John was an ambitious entrepreneur, but he faced the same problem as most small business owners. His audience was limited to the city where he lived. He had an online store selling fitness products, but his sales never grew beyond a certain limit. Whenever he tried to scale, he came up against high costs, local competition, and the limitation of selling only to American customers. That's when John started researching geographic income diversification. He realized that, while he was competing with thousands of stores in the United States, in other countries the competition could be lower and the prices more favorable. He tested the international market, starting with Spain and Portugal, where the fitness culture was growing. John translated his store into Spanish and English, launched targeted ads, and in less than 24 hours, he made his first sale in Spain. Over time, his international sales grew, and within a year, he went from making $2,000 a month to over $30,000, all without dealing with inventory. This story proves that geographic limitations only exist in the mind. If John could do it, why can't you? Now, how can you get started today? First, choose a passive income stream that fits you. Second, create a simple, realistic 30-day plan. And third, commit to following it without giving up in the first few months. If you've made it this far, congratulations. It means you're serious about your financial future. Now it's time to take action. Subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, if you don't plant today, you'll never harvest tomorrow. See you in the next video.